To manage sales leads in Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by logging into your account. Prior to this, you will need to create a Microsoft account and then set up your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account, either through a free trial or by purchasing a subscription. Once logged in, you will see various options on the left-hand side of the screen, including Home, Recent, My Work, Customers, and Sales. Scroll down to the Sales section, where you will find the option to view leads, denoted by a telephone and gear icon. Clicking on Leads will take you to a page where you can view your open leads and manage them as needed. From this view, you have several options, including merging leads, adding them to marketing lists, assigning email flows, and other marketing-related tasks. You can also edit the view, qualify or disqualify leads, display charts, and connect sequences. The options are available for you to manage your sales leads as desired.